My name is Yugen, and my teammates are Sridharan and Dakshinamurthy, and our topic name is facial emotional recognizing and detection using deep learning.
This is our poster of final project. Let's go to the background of the project. Murthy bro.
The background of the project is face detection can be used for surveillance purpose by law enforcement as well as in crowd management. And second is facial expression recognition is an important part of human-computer integration, allowing computer to understand facial expression based on human reasoning. Third is after processing facial recognition, the process break down into three major facial recognition, further extraction and the classification and modules. Fourth is facial recognition is the technology that deals with methods and technique to identify the emotions from the facial expression. Common statement is Common is robust and automated facial recognition analysis for capture image and their meaningful analysis of facial expression, creating data set for testing and training and underlying classification. Second is the face detector need to recognize and extract the face image from the frame in the image. To design a Python-based facial emotion recognition and detection using deep learning, and then to implement an algorithm that can classify facial expression of a person. Third is to design a proper convolution neural network for facial emotion recognition and detection using deep learning. Fourth is to identify the suitable image processing technique for facial expression recognition.
Okay, scope of the project is the facial emotion recognition detection using a deep learning. The facial recognition detection, the facial image are classified into 7 facial expressions. Category namely is anger, disgust, fear, happy, sad, and surprise. Then the literature review. Facial emotion recognition is the process of recognizing human emotion, and software has been developed that allows the human brain to automatically recognize emotion. Can recognize the emotion by learning what each facial expression means, applying the knowledge to the new information presented. Using many fields such as robotics, medicine, driver assistance system, and lie detector, there have been many attempts to develop automated tools for analyzing facial expression. There are many programs such as assessing makeup poses expression solved with the help of convolutional network. The development of computer vision and machine learning, emotional identification has become a much more accurate and accessible to the general public.
Okay, project methodology and facial emotional recognition and detection using deep learning in the project use iterative model has the technique all through this project, and iterative life cycle does not attempt to begin with a full specification of requirement. Instead, at once start by specification and implement just part of the software, which can that point to be look into the order of the identity future requirements. This process is an at that point repeat producing a new form of software for each cycle of model. The points of interest using iterative model are in creates working computer program quickly and early during the software life cycle, more flexible and less constantly to change scope and requirement. And initial planning stage, within the planning stage, the idea of facial emotion recognizing and detection using deep learning that are to recognizing and detection the facial image that are classified into 7 facial expression category, namely anger, disgust, fear, happy, sad, and surprise by using deep learning.
The conclusion of the project, facial emotion recognition has an important position in the computer vision and artificial intelligence field. In this study, we detect the face on real-time video of recognition, the anger, fear, happy, surprise, and sad, and neutral emotion. Emotion recognition is the process of identifying human emotions, more specifically from facial expression as well for verbal expression. Expression are reflect from speech, hands, gesture of the body to the facial expression.